Hello everybody, I have a makeup tutorial for you today using the Urban Decay Ammo palette. Looks like this, and I used the colors Last Call, Grifter, Oil Slick, and then I did also use one color from the Naked 2 palette. You can substitute that from a million other different palettes. This is the final look that I came up with. If you like this look, please subscribe to me, thumbs up the video, and keep watching, and I will show you how to get. Okay, I'm going to start by priming my lids with the Urban Decay Eyeshadow Primer Potion. Make sure you get it underneath of your eyes as well. Got that all rubbed in. So the first color that we're going to take on our eyes is from the Naked 2 palette. The color Tease with a blending brush and the crease. Ooh! Busted just fell out. That sucks. If anybody else has that problem with their Naked 2 palette, will you please let me know, because I'm wondering if there's something wrong with mine or if it's common, because I have never seen that happen to anybody else on YouTube. Maybe they just edited it out. I don't know. Anyway, we're going to take Tease with a fluffy blending brush into the You're just going to do windshield wiper motions back and forth into the crease. Do that to both eyes. Okay, we're all blended. And then that's the only color that we're going to use from the Naked 2 palette. You can use any really like taupe color. Actually, I don't even know if I would say that's a taupe color. It's kind of like it's just a very neutral, like cool toned purplish gray. You can use really any neutral color in your crease. But then using the Urban Decay Ammo palette, which I got from my best friend for my bridal shower, I'm going to use the pink color called Last Call. Just searching for a brush here. What shall we use? Okay, we'll use the flat shader brush. I'm going to use the one from the Urban Decay Naked 2 palette, the flat side, and we're using the color Last Call, which is this really nice pinky color, and this is going to go all over the eyelid. That's what it's looking like. And then underneath of that we have Grifter. And with the same brush, I'm going to take a little bit of that and put it on the inner corners of my eyes. And just give it a little bit of dimension there. And then we're going to use Oil Slick. This is going to be our outer V color. And I'm going to just take a pencil brush, like so. This one I believe is from Target. It's by Up and Up, probably. And we're just going to put this right into the crease and along this outer edge here. To both sides. And then I'm going to take the other side of the Naked palette, or the Naked 2 palette brush that comes with the kit, and I'm going to blend that. So back and forth. In a circle. Okay, it's looking okay. So then we're going to go back to our original color in the Naked 2 palette with that first brush that we used. If I can figure out where I put it. Just like a light fluffy brush. And we're going back in with Tease into the crease again just to blend in that dark oil slick color. So now that we're all blended in, then we're going to do a highlight color. I'm going to stick with what I said with the Ammo palette, and we're just going to use the Polyester Red as the highlight color because that's the lightest color in the palette. It does have a little bit of shimmer. If you don't want any shimmer as your highlight color, you could definitely pick a different color. It doesn't really matter what color you use, but we're just going to do a little bit of the white here. Make sure we blend it in real good. And then we're also going to take that into the inner corners, like so. Wake our look up just a little bit. Alright, so now normally I would put on my mascara and my eyeliner, but because I have not filled in my eyebrows yet, I'm going to quickly do that first because I feel like my look never looks right until I have my eyebrows filled in. So I just use the e.l.f. Eyebrow Kit in medium, and obviously you can tell I use it quite a bit because I have hit pan on the gel. I actually use this little tiny brush that I think came with one of my e.l.f. gel liners to fill in my eyebrows. You can use any pencil brush or the brush that comes with the kit. I'm not a big fan of that brush, but I know a lot of people use that, or they have their own brushes that they use. So we're just going to fill these in real quick. I'll probably speed this up a little bit so that you don't have to watch me fill in my eyebrow. Okay, so now that we have the eyebrows filled in, I'm going to do the eyeliner. I use the Fergie Wet n Wild Cream Liner almost every day. This is what it looks like inside. I've been using various brushes to do this, but right now my favorite brush to use is a pencil brush, and I have a really hard time putting this on without getting really close to my mirror and using two hands. But I'm going to try and do it on camera for you so that you can see it. I will do the best I can. We're going to take the NYX Jumbo Eye Pencil in the color Milk and just line our waterline. And we're going to dip this same brush that we did the e.l.f. eyeliner, the Wet n Wild eyeliner for the top in the oil slick in the Ammo palette, and we're just going to lightly run this across the bottom of our eyes. just like so. Okay, so now that we're done with the eyeliner, put some things away here, we're going to do some mascara. And today I'm going to use the BareMinerals Flawless Definition Mascara. This is just a little trial size that I got in a multiple mascara kit. So, let's see, I've been trying them all out, trying to see which ones I like the best. So, got some mascara on. I did already put foundation and primer on my face. I used the HD Makeup Forever, the green primer, and the foundation in the color 165. I don't tan in a tanning bed anymore, so I do use the Fake Bake Flawless on my skin. That's how I got my skin this color. And for me, the foundation in the color 165 matches it incredibly well. So that's what I've been using to get my skin color. I'm going to use some blush on my face. This is the Tarte Amazonian Clay 24-Hour Blush. Just kidding, 12-Hour Blush. In the color Blushing Bride. I use this color on my face almost every day. So we're just going to put that on the apples of our cheeks. Brighten it up a little bit. I got this brush, I want to say, at Walmart or Walgreens. It's awesome. Everybody should have a brush like that. I'm going to use the Too Faced Chocolate Soleil Bronzer and just do a little tiny bit of bronzing to my face / contouring just underneath the cheekbones. Underneath my chin, try and reduce that double chin, and a little bit on my hairline to make my forehead look smaller. Down the sides of my nose, I'm just going to buff it in a little bit with my blush, and we should be done with that. I'm going to use the Color Whisper by Mabeline, I believe. This is in the color Mad for Magenta. My favorite thing right now is to use the Made for Magenta on my lips and then use the Too Faced Glamour Gloss in the color Flirt over the top of it. I like the shine. I can't wear lipstick alone. It drives me crazy. So we're going to add that. And that is it. So